Hi, welcome to Eden, my garden. We are in November. I bought so many tulips and I realized I need to plant them. So I went outside to dig the soil and it was too hard. But guess what? It's not too late to plant your tulips. I've got 350 tulips to plant. I've got all sorts of colors. I've got this yellow, purplish, orangey one. And here I've got this pinkish and purplish and reddish color. And here I've got this bright red orangey. Oh, and beautiful. This one is yellow and red, a mixture of tulips. And here I've got this one. It's called the double laid blend. And it's a little bit more like a rose and beautiful colors. It's red, purple and pink. And there's one, I think this one is my favorite. It's a beautiful pink and look at that. So let's get cracking. Yeah, I've got this container and they are really cheap. I bought them from the dollar shop and I'm going to show you how to do the drainage. It's so important we have proper drainage so that the bulbs doesn't rot. All I'm going to do, put that on the floor, just get the knife and twist it. Here you go, very easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill the pot halfway through. I want to plant it 6 inches down below. And here I've got some organic bulb tone. It will help the roots to become stronger. So I just put a handful. Yeah, I mix it very well. Here I've got 10 tulips in there. Maybe I will put 15 to 20 tulips in there. We'll see how much room we have. You could see here it started to germinate. So this will go on top. So we're just going to give them plenty of space for them to grow. Now what we're going to do, we're going to fill it with soil to the top. And this will go outside in full sun. So for next year is spring, we're going to have beautiful tulips. So now we're going to do all these flower pots. I've got my little helper here, Hannah. Let's get cracking. We fill all the flower pot halfway through. So now I'm going to put the fertilizer. This here is a great idea. I'm putting them in this container and I'm just going to place it into this beautiful blue container. So this can go at the front door for spring. We've done it. It didn't take long at all to do, only 30 minutes and to plant all the bulbs, and we've done them and we water them. So we're going to put all the pots outside in bright light where there is a lot of sun. That helps. And the good news is done, and the bad news, we have to wait. We have to wait 4 to 5 months for those beautiful, colorful tulips to come out. And that reminded me, have you prayed for something and you've been waiting and waiting and waiting? You think, God, when are you going to answer my prayer? And I've been waiting so long. For me as well, I'm so impatient. I can't wait to see those tulips coming out and to enjoy these colorful flowers. And that goes in our personal life as well. When we're waiting on God and nothing is happening, we've been praying and we said, Lord, how long will it take for you to answer my prayer? But I've got good news for you. The Bible said we rejoice while we are waiting. We have hope in God. In tribulation, we praise God. Even it seems so hard to be praising God in tribulation, and rejoice in Him while you are waiting and praising Him, because God is a good God. He hears our cry. He hears our prayers. So I want to encourage you, while I'm waiting for my beautiful tulips to flowering in the spring, keep on waiting on the Lord, keep on hoping, and keep on rejoicing, because Jesus is a good God and He will hear your prayers. So I hope you start planting your tulips, and it's not too late. If outside there's frost, the soil is very hard, you can do them in pots, and you can put them anywhere you like, inside, outside, in your front door, garden, anywhere you like. So see you soon. And if you like this program, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. And until next time, goodbye.